Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mazda BT50, stock number 6202. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear spare wheel, good tyre. Right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.